12 South Sudanese soldiers accused of rape, murder and looting have gone on trial. The crimes were allegedly committed in July last year at the Terrain Hotel complex in Juba. 3 of the alleged rape victims were humanitarian aid workers. One of those murdered was a local journalist. CGTN'S Patrick Oyet reports.
The 12 accused are all junior officers who were apprehended following an investigation into violence against civilians and aid workers at the Terrain Hotel complex. The attack is said to have taken place at the height of fighting in Juba over a 3-hour period. A local journalist was killed in the ordeal. 3 humanitarian aid workers were reportedly raped and properties were looted. On the first day of court, prosecutors presented their arguments. Witnesses to the crimes included the Terrain Hotel manager, who narrated the violence orchestrated by government troops. The prosecution says it will produce more witnesses to help move the case forward. This is the first public trial of individuals accused of human rights violations since 2013. South Sudan's government troops are accused of various offenses and violations of human rights since war broke out in the country. The army says it's committed to ensuring that those found guilty face the full force of the law.
The SPLA is committed to principles of human rights, the rule of law, and the transparency of legal process of law. The law shall, of course, protect the rights of both the suspects and the victims, and the court shall ensure a fair trial.
The army says it wants this to be a warning to those serving in the armed forces that once they commit crimes, they will individually be held accountable for them. According to South Sudan martial law, an army official found guilty of rape could face up to 12 years in jail. There is immense public interest in this trial, but according to legal experts, it could take months, if not years, before a decision is reached. The court has been adjourned until June 6, 2017. Patrick Oyet, CGTN, Juba, South Sudan.